Once upon a time, there was a super talented little artist named Lily. She had a coolest set of watercolor pens. But there was one thing she really wanted to draw: Hello Kitty with lots of lovely hearts. She skipped to her supportive father.
Daddy, can you teach me to draw Hello Kitty with hearts?
Sure, my little Picasso, he grinned, starting their drawing adventure. First, he drew a nice, big oval shape for Hello Kitty's head. Looking cute already, Lily cheered. Then, her dad added a lovely bow on top of her head, because every kitty needs to be stylish. With a flick of his pen, her father gave Hello Kitty two tiny ears perched adorably on the top of her head. Now, for her body, he said. He drew a curvy shape and added a little arm and leg on one side, just like Hello Kitty's classic pose. Looking great, Dad, Lily giggled. Oh, don't forget the tail, Lily reminded her father. Now came the most exciting part, the hearts. Her father drew a big, heartwarming heart right in Hello Kitty's hands. It's like she's giving love to everyone, Lily said. He drew Hello Kitty's eyes and nose. Lily noticed and asked, Daddy, why no mouth for Hello Kitty? Ah, my clever artist. She speaks through her heart. She don't need a mouth. Next, her father added the signature Hello Kitty whiskers. Now she looks complete, Lily beamed. Finally, to add some extra love, Lily's dad sprinkled little hearts all around Hello Kitty. The drawing looked so charming, it made both of them smile from ear to ear. Now came the magical moment of coloring. Lily carefully chose her colors. She used bright red for Hello Kitty's bow, arm, and body. For the hearts, she picked a pretty pink. And for her cute little nose, a sunny yellow. You are amazing, my little artist, her father praised. This is the most love-filled Hello Kitty I've ever seen. Thanks for joining. We'll meet again with a delightful drawing story.